Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today I'm going to replace my Oakley lens with the MRY lens. Before we get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button. The bell icon may notify new videos, and I really appreciate that thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. So my Oakley glasses are great. So I do want to show you how it looks like first. Then I'm going to replace the lens. Then you have something to compare with. So my Oakley is the Holbrook XL, and you can see this over here, and it still has the prism polarized lens, and you get another the information about the Holbrook XL and the sizing. I'm sure you can see that over there, and yes, it's made of a USFA. So these are great, works great. Yes, I have a little scratch on the side over there. And to pop it out, you want to change it out, just push gently, all right, on one corner, and it'll pop out. So same thing for the other side, just be gentle with it. You don't want to damage it, and that's how you pop it out. So once you pop it out, you see if it's really dirty, then you might want to clean around the perimeter. And I'm just going to take it out, and instantly you could tell that on these lens, they're really good lens overall. I mean, it's not the cheapy or anything like that. It's pretty good quality. It is a little bit more thin than the one from Oakley, so keep that in mind. And you know, when you're doing this thing, make sure you follow this procedure. You have to do a certain way, otherwise it doesn't go in. It's very tight fit, so they didn't cut corners on the sizing. So you notice that you to pop it in, you hit this corner first, then the next corner, then the third corner, then the fourth corner. So I'm going to repeat how I did that. So just for you folks that are interested, 1, 2, 3, 4. And to do this side, it's very similar. So always do the one on that corner first, then go down, then go to the right, then the last corner is the one on the top over there. So then again, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's how you get it in, and simple to pop in once you know how to do it. So, and yes, this is a little bit more, about a shade darker at least, I guess. And yeah, fit and finish is great. You can see that over here. All right, and it doesn't pop out. I tested it out for the day, and it looks good. Fit and finish is great once you get it in. And I'm going to show you. You have to do the 1, 2, 3, 4 to put it in. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the way to put it in. Okay, this is the sun test, I would say. You know, I did earlier with the Oakleys. Now is the MRY. I don't know if you could see the difference, but it is a little darker. You know, and I'm trying to show you on the contrast with my camera, which is not the easiest thing to show, but yeah, you can see that it's a little darker, but it's not too dark, you know. And these MRYs are pretty reasonable. I'll post more description if you're interested in checking out one. I do not get paid if you buy them or not buy them from MRY Lens, but I do want to mention their name there if you're interested in getting one of these. And yes, the color comparison. All right, so the top one is the prism, is not that, is the original one, and the bottom one is the MRY lens. And you can see the difference over here. And it's about at least a shade darker. So at least the one I got, right? And there's actually different models, I assume, and you could check it out and use different colors and such, and find out which one suits your best. Alright, so polarized test now. Alright, wear the glasses to see the beautiful pattern. So I'm wearing it. You can see there's more pattern on the right side. If you take it off, it's gone. Okay, folks. Hopefully you liked this video surprise today. I really appreciate a thumbs up. Comment and share. Please leave it below. And I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.